To add a splash screen in Flutter, follow these steps. Create a splash screen image or logo. Prepare the image or logo you want to display as the splash screen. Ensure the image is in the appropriate format and place it in your Flutter project under the assets directory. Configure Android splash screen. Update launch background.xml. In launch_background.xml, update the file to include your splash screen image. Replace a drawable splash_image with the path to your splash screen image. Set the theme. In styles.xml, update the theme to use the splash screen. Configure iOS splash screen. Open launch_image.image_set and add your splash screen image in different sizes. Add a timer to dismiss the splash screen. In your Dart code, use a timer to show the splash screen for a few seconds before transitioning to the main screen. Run the app. Test the splash screen by running Flutter run. The splash screen will appear before the main screen.